This artwork ain't that bad. Still not that bad. Oh. How is this staying in place? Whoa. Brown Dust 2. Awesome. This just came in the mail today and I was so excited to open it and look at the artwork that I rushed upstairs to record this video. Yeah, and you know what? Shout out to TCG Republic, who I ordered a bunch of stuff from. They sent this little magnetic card loader as a thank you gift. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Brown Dust 2. I didn't play the game, but I have been opening up some Nibble Arena Brown Dust 2, so I've seen the artwork and yeah, it's goonerific. There's some spicy stuff in there. So let's see what we got here. Got us a little box topper. Kind of cute looking. All right. Yeah, I expect to see some spicy cards in all this. All right, yeet. Okay. First one. Look at this cover art. My goodness. Whoa. It's already starting off spicy. I haven't even seen the first card. Okay, here we go. Nice little rose tattoo on there, maybe? A little fox girl. Looks like Ari from League of Legends. Okay, this looks like a little demon. She's got the wings real down low. Reminds me of Morgana from League of Legends. Okay. Let me pull these back a little bit so you can see the rarities. Here's a double rare. She's in a ducky floaty, kind of busting out of the top. Oh, the little backdrop. She's literally busting out of the top. Okay, double rares. Put that over to the side. She looks like some kind of mech girl. She got some fists going on. Okay. Yeah, they're very top heavy in here. Ooh, what kind of face are you making in the background, girl? Stop that. All right, and our climax rare. Okay, double rare from the first pack. Pretty good start, I'd say. Maybe we can get an SP. Or an SSP. Oh, dang. Okay, a lot going on there. Oh, she's cute. Got what looks to be a little gun and some bunny ears. Alright, I'm for it. Okay, another good pose, another gun. Maybe a sniper rifle or something. Oh, another double rare. 2 double rares in a row. What are the odds? Okay. Got the little green bikini going on. Alright, she kind of got like a waitress outfit going. I'm not sure what's happening in the purple in the background. Ooh, Wild West. Got the 4-barrel revolver looking things. Okay, interesting. Here's a regular rare. Alright, that's we'll call that the floss bikini. And the climax rare. She's looking like she's about to eat all of those strawberries. Maybe in one bite. Let's move the rare somewhere. Did I see another rare in here? Was I hallucinating? Maybe I put it up there already. Okay. On to pack number 3. Okay. She doesn't appear to have a weapon. She got kind of like a nun hood on, maybe. Is she crying? She's got a microphone, and maybe she's like a singer of some kind. She's a karaoke or a pop diva. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. There's a lot of hair and a lot of wires. Is that like some kind of proby thingy? I don't know. Cool artwork though. Okay, got us another double rare. Does every pack in here have a double rare? Or is this just really, really lucky? Okay. Not bad. Ooh, look at this outfit. Well, okay. I approve. And she's got like kind of the mature businesswoman outfit on. Uh-oh, what do we have here? Another rare. Got a little foiling on it. Got kind of an even little dot type foil. Yeah. That dress is incredibly short. And she got a little katana. Cool. Alright, our climax. Okay, moving right along. Got some spice in here. Okay. You know, the front of the card looks pretty pretty lewd, but then you look at the back and it is incredibly lewd. And she's got some kind of horns, demon ears. I don't know. Oh, she's got a whip. Okay. If it wasn't for the whip, this would be probably the tamest card in the whole box. She's got an axe and a very innocent looking expression on one of these. Maybe not all of them. Oh, was that a rare? Let me look. Okay, yeah, a little kimono going on, a little happy smile. This might be the tamest card of the whole box. There's a lot going on here. Got a bunny girl, another bunny girl, another bunny girl, and then, I don't know, an ice queen in the background. Got a little ice crew going on, okay. She's got like a Alice in Wonderland look going on with the eye patch, and is that like a mace on a chain? Yeah, very intimidating. She looks like a stewardess with an umbrella. And is that a couple drones flying off in the background? Maybe she controls drones? Not really sure. She has some kind of pass on her. And a climax. Okay. Yeah, very flexible with those legs. Fold over like that. Almost halfway done. Still moving through. We've seen this one before. I recognize that tattoo. Oh, this girl has a tattoo too. I didn't notice. Which is weird because where else would my eyes be? Okay, she's got like kind of a ninja thing going on. I've always been a fan of the way some of this art is drawn, where the midriff is so tight that you can see kind of like their navel and stuff. It's very attractive. It's a cute card. Whoa, got us an SR. Wow. That's a 3-star. Oh, cool. I don't know what this is worth. I have no idea. Here, let me let's sleeve this up just to be safe. Why not? Pretty looking card. Okay. Just in case, I'm not sure what the rarity of this box is, honestly. 3-star. Yeah, it looks like she's just got done eating a whole bunch of whipped cream or something. I hope that's whipped cream. Wow. Okay, no signature or anything. Foiling and like the stars and stuff on the side look really good. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's not a bad pull for this box. Okay, back at it. Oh man, that bikini bottom is too small. You get like 5 sizes too short. Okay, she's kind of cute looking. A little lunchbox. And got us another rare with some of that speckle, small dot foiling. She's cute, little bunny girl. Cute dress. So there's that midriff I was talking about. Very adorable. Now this looks like a nice little action scene. Okay, moving right along. Got us some interesting stuff so far. That SR pool. All right. Okay, looks cute. Kind of on the plain side with what I've seen. She looks like a goth type of girl, maybe. I don't know. Can't tell what her weapon is, but is that her in a straitjacket and a crazy smile in the background? Yeah, I think so. Oh, she's cute. Got like a little Halloween trick-or-treat outfit going on. I have a thing for witches. I think this is that's a very adorable card. Oh, it's a 1-star SR. I assume the 3-star is more special. It's kind of cool looking. Look at the way that foiling is. Whoa, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know if this is worth anything or not, but we're gonna treat it with respect and we're gonna put it in a sleeve. Because why not? I can always take them out of sleeves. Maybe if one of these are really, really nice, I can put it in that magnetic card holder. Okay, cool. All right, so we got a 3-star and a 1-star, and we got us a hot spring or bathhouse thing. She's getting a real touchy-feely. Okay, you got like a waitress in a bunny outfit with a bunny eye patch. I don't know what's going on in the background though. It's a cute outfit. Okay, got a girl with some headphones. She must be the gamer archetype. It's another rare. Got some of that speckled foiling on it. And our climax is, you know, it's two girls fighting here, but the real fight is happening with those tops. Trying to keep it all together. All right. Okay. She looks like the nun type. Yeah, the nun archetype. Some kind of throwing star plus signs. Whoa. Yeah, this is very, yeah, how is that staying on? I don't get it. Cute outfit, though, with the way the top is, and then she's got the matching little pieces in her hair. And, oh my god, those stockings are squeezing them legs. Okay. And she looks like a saber from one of the Fate series. Pretty normal looking. Hey, it's kind of another, it's like a mage. Got a staff, and it's kind of cute looking. She seems fairly normal, I would say. Not really sure what her theme is, but yeah, fairly normal for everything that's been going on. It's a cool looking card. There's a lot going on. Feels like a shift. Just looking at the background and everything. Definitely doesn't give happy-go-lucky vibes like the rest of them. Okay, so kind of a smallish girl. She got goggles and what appears to be a giant gun behind her. And they always give the biggest guns to the littlest ones. Okay. Oh, was it? That's actually rare. I didn't even notice. So we'll put it in here. Let me speckle foiling again. Okay, climax rare. Looks like they're at a pool. I see a flamingo float. It looks like a pool, but looks like also a stage. Okay. So we got 3 packs left. Moving right along. So far the art has not disappointed. It's exactly what I hoped for when I purchased this thing. Yowza. Look at that face in the background. Ooh, actually don't look at it. Not for your eyes. Okay. I like the ears. Very cute. Okay. Got her turn around facing the backside. Oh, 1-star SR. I'm assuming there must be 3 to this box. This will be the 3rd one. Look at the choker. Even the choker's kind of lighting up. Yeah. Look at the choker. Only the choker. Okay. Just to be safe, I'm going to sleeve them again. If these turn out not to be very valuable, then we will take them out of the sleeve or just leave them in there because they're pretty looking. Alright, so 2 1-star SRs and a 3-star. Whoa. Alright, let's keep moving through this. We got the singer girl. We got, no, this is a cover photo. Yeah, matches the art. Okay. Thought I saw her before. And I can't really tell what's going on with her. She got maybe elf-like ears. I don't know. She kind of looks like she's in distress. Oh, there's another card behind here. The climax. We got us like a bunny girl putting on some, I don't even know what those are called anymore. Leggings? Stockings? I don't know. Cute looking though. Okay. Alright. Whoa, look at the backside of this outfit. Man, you're not leaving anything to the imagination. Singer girl again? I don't think I've seen her. Oh, yeah, maybe we have. Yeah, the artists for this set have definitely a body type. And they stick true to it. Oh, we got kind of an angel girl. I don't think we've seen her before. Whoa, a lot going on here. Like a Valkyrie. I like the braids. I'm a big fan of braided hair anime women. Okay, cool. Let's see, rare card. This one is speckled foiling. She's got her, what appears to be a sword of some kind. Alright. And the climax. Okay. Alright. Oops. I think I put that there in the right spot. Put it so distracted, I'm sure I've missed a couple rares out of the common and uncommon pile. Okay, we've seen her. Oh, she's the one with the crazy look in the background. Yeah, crazy. Okay. What is her gimmick? I can't really tell. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's another SR. Is that 2-star? 2-star SR. Okay, that's kind of neat. Yeah, there's a lot. Oh, look at that foiling. It's like a spiral. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yes, look at the foiling. Only the foiling. Don't look at anything else on the card. I'm actually not sure what's going on. It's hard to tell. Okay, cool. Well, if I sleeved up the 1-stars, I'm definitely going to sleeve up the 2-stars. Just in case. So we got 4 of them out of this. It's not bad. Fortunately, we didn't get any of the signature cards. I like the signature cards. Alright, last few cards. Okay, got us a saber looking girl. Alright, she looks like a, I don't know, like a wood nymph or something. She got little circle weapons, I guess. Cute, I like the braid. Okay, looks like this is our last rare. Keeping with the green theme and braided hair. And she's got, is that like something biting on her shoulder? Or is that just part of her outfit? Interesting. Okay. Alright, now last climax, and oh my goodness. Whew, lady, that's gonna give you back pain. Alright. Okay, let's review what we've set to the side real quick before we end the video. Alright, got us a rare, green hair, another rare. Little girl with the big gun, another rare. Gamer archetype girl. Got the little bunny one. It's cute looking. I like that card. Okay, got us a sword and a very stoic expression. Got us a double rare. That's kind of a fluffy bikini bottom, or ruffly, I guess. It's a fruity drink. Got another rare, and man, that outfit is. They're saving on fabric. Okay, got a little surfer thing. I didn't notice before, but that looks like a surfboard in the background. We made it clear so it wouldn't disrupt the view. That's a double rare. Another bikini shot. This is one where that top is falling apart. And I get it, I really do. Okay, so a 2-star SR. 1-star SR. She can look at me like that all day. Another 1-star SR. The foiling on that was cool. And the whipped cream girl, 3-star SR. I like the way that foiling is on there. Okay, well that's the entire box. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind hitting that like button, hit subscribe. Once I get 100 subscribers, I can finally open up this. I've been holding it for a while. This is my reward for getting 100 subscribers. This is an old no game, no life box, and I'm excited to do it. So smash that subscribe button. We'll see y'all next time.